Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro 2 imminent release? I'll have all that coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. My friend OriginalDoBo, whose YouTube channel I highly recommend that you check out, recently went to IWEC 2018 on Wednesday over in Orlando, Florida. One of the vendors there was Autel Robotics, and he was able to get some hands-on time with the EVO and also be able to talk to some of the Autel representatives. Some of the things that he was able to tell us was that the prototype that you saw out at CES 2018 was different from what he saw on Wednesday. The unit that he saw on Wednesday had bigger propellers, the arms folded out directly, not from underneath like the Mavic Pro does, and that he also noted that it was quieter. I highly recommend, there'll be a link in the description, highly recommend you check out his video. He did a fantastic review, answered all your questions regarding the EVO, so it's definitely worth checking out. And as we're all aware of, Amazon has dropped its price on the DJI Mavic Pro as of the other day, and there's a link in the description for that. What's all this mean, Bill? Well, you know, first thing, I think a lot of people will say, well, you did mention that DJI was going to be dropping its price as well. Well, they haven't yet officially on their website. But one of the things I think we were waiting for was to find out from Autel. And this is a very good sign that the release is imminent. And the big thing to me is the fit and the finish and the quality on the EVO were something that I'm sure Autel has worked hard at. They wanted to make sure they got it right. And from the looks of things, you know, again, check out the video. It really does look like they got things right. So I think this release is definitely based upon Autel, and when they come out with their EVO, I think DJI wants to be very proactive here and make sure that the Mavic Pro 2 comes out. So my guess is it's going to be within the next couple of weeks, and I'm still thinking that a March 23rd date, which had been talked about previously by our friend Autel, and yes, that's how I'm pronouncing his name now, came out with on tweets several weeks ago regarding that date. So I'm thinking March 23rd is going to be a very solid date. So this is my educated guess right now at this point in time, and I'm thinking it's going to look pretty good. So if you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry, and of course my blog, where all my videos get posted out there, and people get notified via social media that there's a new video out there. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying.